So, hello, I am a Bohemian princess in a tale. We are here in Böhmen, in Bohemian, in Zapadotcheski, Jelenatcheski, Bohème du Sud et de l'Ouest. Et donc Bohème Sud-Ouest, et nous visitons un château, le château de... Comment ça s'appelle? Bekenitsa, c'est ça? Et nous sommes dans les jardins. We are in the gardens of Renaissance castle. I am a Bohemian princess from the 15th century. No, now I shall sing. Look at the Bohemian princess there. There are three ladies there. Three ladies there. Look at there. and me. Hey, look at me now. I am speaking. I am a Bohemian princess in a country of tales. I am a Bohemian princess in a country of tales, and I tell you the story of the prince coming out of this water. Show the water there. Look at me now. Look at your princess now. There were a charming prince coming out of the water, and there on the top on the hill you can see the white mouse with the yellow legs, and there you can see the ducks like duckies. I am a boy.